3rd of October 2022, and we have Aalto University, Aalto University, Aalto yliopisto, Otakaari 1, Fotbogen, the H-wing, or CP-flygeln. It's got 4 floors, was placed in 2007, a bit rare for a max space solution outside residential buildings in Finland.
Yeah.
And the replacement is turning 15 years old this year in 2022. Will be inspected in 2024. The serial number is 1093243 and the capacity is 6 persons for 80 grams. But we know what there was here originally, was Kone.
Yeah.
And a basics probably.
Yeah.
12 floors, yeah. But still a bit unnecessary replacement. But it has a wooden walls. But one rod is enough.
Yeah.
It's not that important. But rare.
Yeah.
The alarm button is generic.
Yeah. That's